Hi, this is Mrs. Nicolette. I'm coming to you from my office in my home, something that we're all getting very used to doing as we deal with the COVID virus. I want to assure you that at Herkimer BOCES, our LPN program never shut down, nor are our efforts at recruiting for next year. We simply have shifted gears, and we did it rather fast. Our current program is all being offered online via Zoom, and we are doing lecture formats. We've all come up to speed very quickly and have gotten used to it, both the staff and the students. It's going well. We received a waiver from New York State Ed so that we can complete this year's clinical using virtual clinical online, which many other nursing schools did as well. And we only missed a week of clinical, and our students all agreed to make that up over spring break because we're not going anyplace. I'd like to take a minute, though, to talk to you about how we're handling our incoming class for next year. I can't have open houses as we have in the past, but I can have virtual open houses. Truly, you can teach an old dog new tricks. I've become well educated at Zoom, and if you would simply go to our webpage and email me at snicolette@herkimer-boces.org, it'll all be listed there. I will send you a Zoom invite that you can do on your smartphone, and we are having open houses every Wednesday from 7 to 8. We are eagerly looking for students to come and to join our program. Our full-time program takes 12 months, and you're employed in a field that is desperate, absolutely desperate for healthcare workers. Or you can go part-time and continue working your job either through our day program, which is 2 days a week the first year, 3 days a week the second year, or our evening program, which has classes 3 nights a week and clinical on Saturdays. There are no prerequisites as far as college goes to join our program. You do have to have a high school diploma or a GED. If you have college credits in anatomy and physiology or in nursing, we can give you some advanced standing. If you've had difficulty in an RN program, then we can give you advanced standing into our second year part-time class, depending on your transcripts and references. But we are running, and we intend to open on time for our full-time class that begins the end of June, the beginning of July. If we're not able to get back into the classroom, then we'll be starting using the Zoom format. And as soon as we can get into the classroom, then we'll go in. So join me for our open house. Send me an email, and I will send you an invite. And as always, this is a little raw, and it's definitely uncut, but join me. It'll be a good time.